All right, on today's 30-minute mechanic, we're going to see what it takes to put this GM style one-wire alternator on our Ford, and we're also going to take a look at our leash relay module. May start doing a little bit of wiring on that, so buckle up, let's go. All right, what we got here is a run-of-the-mill GM style one-wire alternator, 105 amp. Then you just got one little deal in the back, hook it up, and self-excites. Got to spin the RPMs up. I don't know, then it starts charging on its own. So the first thing I know that we're going to have to do is set that right there. Where's the bolt? The Ford has a big bolt. GM, not so big. So first thing we got to do, we're going to bore that hole out just a little bit bigger so this bolt will actually fit through there, and then we can proceed on. All right, quite literally, I don't understand why companies put the size of the drill bit right up here in the part that goes in the chuck, because that always gets all chewed up, and then you're like, I can't tell what size the bit is. Why don't they stamp it in the end of it, or even put it farther down lower? I don't know. But I think I've got a 7/16 bit here. The Chevy one, I think they use a 3/8 bolt or something. I don't know. I don't even think I have a 3/8. It's a 3/8. A little bigger. Let's see if we can make it 7/16. Okay, there we go. Let's grab our bolt, make sure it'll slip through there. There. Look at that. Hey, we are now a Ford single wire alternator. Okay. Said it before. Sometimes getting things set up takes longer than actually working on things. Okay, we're going to slip this guy right, maybe, if we don't drop it on the floor. Because I'm pretty sure I'm going to have a different length spacer with this one. And you know what? What I probably need is my pulley. Probably need to put my pulley on. Yeah. Third time, take 3. All right. That's going to do it for 30-minute mechanic today. Got our alternator figured out, kind of on there. Still got to figure out the adjustment arm on the bottom. Not a big deal. We've got our spacer the right exact width that I wanted it to be. Belt alignment looks really, really good. I'm very happy with that. Started playing with our leash and did a little wiring on that. Probably going to time lapse that stuff because nobody wants to sit around and watch me do wiring. I don't even want to sit around and watch me do wiring. So we'll make that part go fast. So anyways, hit the description. Check out my friends' channels. But for me, like, subscribe, ring the bell, tell your friends, and we'll see you next time. Bye.